Welcome to the Fairmile for the 10th anniversary of the Surrey Mustang Owners Club Annual BBQ. We have over 100 cars in this beautiful sunny field today. And we're going to have a full quick walk around just to see what was down there. I'm going to begin on one of the most special cars here, which is the Cyclone. I hardly ever see this out anywhere, but it is a very, very special one. I love this thing. Every time I see it out, there's hardly any in the country. I don't even know if there's another one around in the UK. All I know, I love it. On the left-hand side here, we have one of the very beautiful Mustangs. We got the 75 Dodge Dart Swinger in a very bright blue. I'm loving that. Dell is down in the Charger, probably the cleanest Charger you'll ever see around, and gets out to all of the shows. We got the 71, which is clean as ever. I always love this. Every time we see it, just immaculate, these cars. And then I think it's a Continental. There's the crazy massive lights on the front. It is monstrous. Convertible top, just beautiful. We have the very nice, with the fold-up headlights, the blacked out Cougar down there. And we got a few of the modern Mustangs. There's a nice silver Corvette just in amongst it all. We got a very good mix of modern and classic down here. The Surrey Mustang Owners Club has a very diverse mix of members, and there's always something different. Whenever they have a show on, you never know what you're going to see. Such a diverse mix everywhere you look. We even have them lowered all the way down to the floor. I'm liking that. Normally you don't see Mustangs with any sort of stancing or air ride, but it's also tricked out in the back. Check it out. Make sure to check out the Surrey Mustang Owners Club website and Facebook page, as they host multiple events all over the place throughout the year. And if you love your Mustangs, then make sure to join their membership to get updates, the newsletter, and everything else that's going on within the club. Because, well, let's just put it like this. If you love your Mustangs, I always know Surrey Mustang Owners Club as the sort of main one. They host the big event down at Brooklands. They had the 60th anniversary, the 61st I believe it was recently. That's always a good time with a big selection of movie cars, all sorts gets down there. And what's very nice is, although they're a Mustang club, they allow me to be a member with a Mopar, which is just brilliant. Now we got the General Lee out here, big bright orange 01 on the door. It's got the flag, it's got the General Lee. What more can you want? So you can see it's not just Mustangs we get down here. We got the nice Thunderbird, the white walls, convertible top. Such nice collection down here. As always, they have a great setup when they do the shows. Today we've had Surrey Jive doing some demonstrations as well. Their dancing is fantastic, so make sure to check out Surrey Jive as well. They've had bands on down here. I believe they'll be having some live bands later on today. There's always something going on down at this meeting. My main problem is I know hardly anything about the Mustangs, so that's why I'm not particularly saying too much about them. I don't know the difference between a lot of them. The only thing I know is this is a Mach-E Rally. Don't think I've ever seen this one before. I'm liking the wheels. This is quite a unique one. Trust me to choose the EV Mustang to be the one that I look round. But this stands out to me. A little bit of a aero wing on the back. Quite like that. Well, I've been told off for liking an EV Mustang, but you can't go wrong. I mean, I think that's really cool. I actually really like that. Surprising for me to say it, isn't it? You know, an EV Mustang, but I like it. Now, is this one of the S95s? I'm liking it's got the Sonic on the dash there. You don't see too many of the S95s, and I really like them. They're one of those, they're like a Marmite car, I think, in the Mustang world. You either love an S95 or you don't. Well, I love them. I have a very odd taste in cars, as I'm sure a lot of people have worked out from over the years of all the different things that I've been like, oh, I like that. So they got music playing in the background, so we'll see if we can remove that. It's going to be interesting to see how we do on the copyright side. So I'm going to do my best to try and keep away from the music, because I don't want to have to mute this for the copyright. You know what social media is like. They like copyrighting everything that has music on it. We got a very cool Jeep out here, which has got the massive gun right on the top there. Now this is like a Mopar fix. stick a bit of wood in it, and that will stop it from shaking about. I like that. Got the flag up top, spare wheel on the back. It's just cool. I do like these. I need to get like one of these little turning balls like that. They are brilliant, they are. When you've got one of them on the car, it's so easy to turn the wheel. We've got such a great mix. We've been catching up with loads of people down here today. I always say it, the cars are great, but it's the people that make these meets what they are. One of the cleanest Chevys I think I've ever seen. I've seen this out everywhere, all over the place, and it is mint. All in black, white walls, little flag on the side. The interior, just as mint. I need to get a working clock in the Mopar as well. It's just beautiful. Got the little doggy in the window. Hey, what else can I say? Words can't do this car justice. It's beautiful. We have our final 2 rows down here before we head off. It's been a hard one today because we've had to try and fit in about 4 or 5 different events that aren't car related. Try and get along to parties and all sorts today. But you know what we're like, if we can do it, we will. Now if I had more time, we could get some beautiful photographs, just the way all of these are lined up. We've got the Fairlane, just massive, massive car. Makes the Mopar look small. Convertible, I love these. And then we got another one of the Thunderbirds. Seen this down here last year and I did a full set of photos. So maybe I'll have to go through last year's photos and actually post those, because I can't remember if I did. Either way, another beautiful car. Speaking of beautiful cars, we got the Mustang in the dark green with the black on the hood, the air intake. It's got the little side air intakes as well, blacked out interior, folding forward seat. Liking that, a lot of room in there as well. And then you can't go wrong, can you, with a massive Caddy. I love the Cadillacs. Now they've really grown on me. I've always loved the Cadillacs, but I would like to get one at some point because they're like the ultimate cruising car, aren't they? I mean, look at the style, the dash, the wheel. You've got chrome on the inside. Even the seat has chrome. It's just, they are a work of art. As we finish up on our final row, we got this Mustang here with the red and white plate. I can't remember where that's from. I want to say that's a Michigan plate, but I'm liking the blue. It's got like a blue stripe along the blue. That's quite unique. I'm liking that. There's red and there's white with the black going up either side as well. And a bit more of a lighter sort of pastel blue one. I like them. And we also got some good number plates down here to be looking out for. It's a real mix. Now we've had all Mustangs in this lovely lineup, and then you've got a yellow car and another yellow car. Okay, it makes mine look a little bit more green because it's next to a very bright yellow car, but we've got the one that really fits in. Today it feels like it's a Mustang. And we got Mustang with the horse on the hood. I don't think I've seen that before. That's cool as well. But we're going to finish it up. How cool of a show. Back in the Mopar, and I just noticed the Mustang here on my right is a speedster by the looks of it. I have never seen one of those before, I don't think. As we go out, we got a couple cars we haven't got on film. We got this final row that we're about to go through here as we head our way out of the show. I'd love to stay down here all day. It's such a fantastic show, fantastic mix of cars and people. Unfortunately, we got to be elsewhere.